Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to hover any link through Selenium WebDriver. Hover is something when you just placing the cursor, you are not performing any action, you are not clicking anything. So why we do this? Sometimes we want to see suppose when I am uh, hovering, placing the cursor on programmer word, if you see below, it is showing the URL, like it is where it is redirecting. Sometimes we want to check if we click on this link where it will redirecting. Currently it is showing it will redirect to programmerword.co.in. Sometime near this cursor itself, it will show all the details where what and all where and all it is navigating. And few times we need to hover to check what and all options is there. Suppose if you go through this Selenium link, you can see these many sub options are there, and if you want to go to any particular option page, you have to click on these links. So to get these things, first you have to hover on this link, and then only you will get all these options. So in these cases we use hover. So let's see how to use this hover in through Selenium WebDriver. It's very easy. It's just a simple two-line code. Everything is given in Selenium. We just have to take that class and use it. That's it. So let's first open the browser. See, this is the simple programming I have written to invoke the browser. And you must be knowing now we have to use this testing for Chrome. That is easy and efficient. We need not to update every time WebDriver version and all. So for this, I have already given a videos. You guys can go through if you want. Otherwise, let's start with the this how to do hover. So first let's invoke the browser that is already done. Now we will open the page with this URL. So how we can do it? It's very easy, right? Driver.get. See, it is showing everything is nicely given. We just have to put it. If you see, I have already copy paste the URL, and same thing I will paste it. Never try to write it manually, type it manually. Always copy paste from the browser, so there will not be any mistake of any spelling mistake or something. Let's see whether it is opening this website or not, because this is the first step, right? So we just now have invoked the browser with this website URL. Now let's see. If it's taking some time. Now see, this Chrome for testing has invoked and it is moving to programmerword.com. So our half of the work is already done. Now what we have to do is, suppose if you want to hover on this programmer word, you have to take the X path. See, nothing we can do without uh, X path, right? Selenium X paths are very important. Okay, or if you want to do it this Selenium, so you have to take this Selenium XPath. So let's take this Selenium XPath only, because then when I run the program, it will be visible for you guys whether this is working or not. And here, when I run through the WebDriver, it will be very fast hovering, that you might not see that this is moving to it. This is showing to which URL it is navigating. So let's take it Selenium only. So inspect the element. And now if you see, this is one, it is navigating and it is href, right? So when it is href, we can directly take the link text, right? So let's copy this Selenium. Guys, always try to copy paste, don't try to type it. We might make some mistake, right? Okay, so let's do the expert find dot element. And I have already made the element I have already made the video how to text the XPath and how to check it in the browser. So those things you can go through. If you are not sure how to do that, you can check it in my old videos. Right now I will not focus in how to take this URL, because I have already told. And let's move it fast. By.linkText. and here whatever I have copy pasted I will give that, right? And this one we will save it in some variable, web element variable, because this is web element, right? So type will be web element, and we will save it in some variable so we can use it later, right? Because this is just the text part locating the element, that's it, nothing else, right? So let's give it the name is hlink, and variable name anything you can give. I am taking it as a hlink. Now if you go, see, now we have already located the element. Now what we have to do, we have to hover on this link. How we can do it is, there is an action class defined in the Selenium. We need not to do anything, just we have to use that class, and that class name is actions class. So we know how we can use any class to create a object, and then we can use that class method in our other classes, right? So let's take that action class. It's very easy, just 2 line code, and I have taken a variable name is, object name is a new, and then actions, right? Now if you h over here itself, it is showing import actions.c. This is the beauty of our IDE. It will tell you everything, what you are missing, what you have to do, right? So we have imported that one package, and now see what it is showing. The constructor action is undefined. So what we have to do, add argument to match actions WebDriver. So we will use this driver object here, right? See, now this is also gone. Now it is showing that a is not used anywhere. Syntax error to complete local variable declaration statement, right? We'll use it later, then that error will go. So a dot method name is move to element. This target one only we are taking, will not take any other thing, right? Because we we are not taking this int x offset, int y offset, because we need not to give all these dimensions. We can use it web element target. Okay, and now hlink, we have already taken this target, and now what we have to do, we have to do perform, that's it. See, syntax error, insert to complete local variable. Sorry, I did not assign it, that's why we are getting it error. Now it is gone. Now let's see whether it is working or not. So see, first what we have done is, we have navigated to this programmer.com, whatever URL website you want to navigate, and then do that locate element, and then store it in some web element, and then use the action class, create an object of that action class, and then use that method move to element, and pass that locator and dot perform, that's it. Now let's run and check whether it is working or not. I have run the program. It is invoking the browser has invoked. It is moved to programmer.co. Let's see whether it is hovering or not. See, it is hovering. Now onwards, if you want to click on this, any of this hovered link, you can take locator and dot click, that's it, and you will be navigated to next page. Thank you guys. I hope you have liked my video. Thank you so much for watching it.